students. Today we are doing the answers of lesson number 7 from our beehive packing, and in previous video we have completed the explanation of that lesson. फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट, थिंकिंग अबाउट टेक्स्ट, जो हमने टेक्स्ट में पढ़ा उसके बारे में, उससे रिलेटेड यहाँ पर हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस गिवन है. नाउ फर्स्ट इज डिस्कस इन पेयर्स एंड आंसर ईच क्वेश्चंस बिलो इन शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ अबाउट 30 to 40 वर्ड्स. मीन्स वी हैव टू राइट ऑल द आंसर्स इन अ शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ. हमें एक शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ में इन आंसर्स को देना है जो कि 30 to 40 वर्ड्स होने चाहिए. नाउ द फर्स्ट वन इज हाउ मैनी कैरेक्टर्स आर देयर इन द नरेटिव. नेम देम. डोंट फॉरगेट द डॉग. स्टोरी में एक डॉग भी है, उसे फॉरगेट नहीं करना है. हमें इस पूरे जो लेसन है उसमें कितने कैरेक्टर्स हैं उनके बारे में बताना है और उनके नाम बताने हैं. सो द आंसर इज देयर आर 4 कैरेक्टर्स इन दिस नरेटिव. द नरेटर Jerome K. Jerome, his 2 friends George and Harris. Besides them, their dog Montmorency also plays an interesting part. Go to the second question. Why did the narrator Jerome volunteer to do the packing? Answer is the narrator believed that he could do packing better than anyone else. He was proud of his skill, so he told his friends to leave the whole job to him. Third question. How did George and Harris react to this? Did Jerome like their reaction? Answer. George and Harris readily agreed to the narrator's suggestion that he would do the entire packing. But there was something mysterious about the way they accepted the offer, so the narrator didn't like their reaction. Question number 4. What was Jerome's real intention when he offered to pack? जेरोम का असली उद्देश्य क्या था जब उसने पैकिंग के लिए ऑफर किया? आंसर इज in fact Jerome didn't mean what he said. He did not want to do the packing himself. He wanted George and Harris to do the packing. He intended to supervise them and teach them how to do it properly. Next, what did Harris say after the bag was shut and strapped? Why do you think he waited till then to ask? कि जो बैग है उसको बंद हो जाने के बाद और उसको टाइट करने के बाद हैरिस ने क्या कहा? When Jerome thought that he had packed everything and shut the bag with a trump, Harris pointed out that he had forgotten to pack the boots. He waited till the bag was shut because he wanted to irritate Jerome and amuse himself. Question number 6. What हॉरिबल आइडिया अकर्ड टू जेरोम अ लिटिल लेटर. कौन सा हॉरिबल भयानक आइडिया जो था वो जेरोम के दिमाग में आया कुछ देर बाद? आंसर इज अ लिटिल लेटर जेरोम वॉज ट्रबल्ड बाय द थॉट वेदर ही हैड पैक्ड हिज टूथब्रश. इट वॉज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हिम, सो ही हैड टू अनपैक द होल बैग टू सी इफ इट वॉज देयर और नॉट. Question number 4. Question number 7. Where did Jerome finally find the toothbrush? Jerome को finally toothbrush कहाँ मिला? Jerome unpacked the bag. He shook everything to see if his toothbrush was there. Finally, he found it inside a boot. Question number 8. Why did Jerome have to reopen the packed bag? Jerome ने दोबारा से packed bag को क्यों खोला? Having found his toothbrush in the bag, Jerome packed the bag again, but soon he realized that he had packed his tobacco pouch too in it. Once again, he had to unpack the packed bag to get his tobacco pouch. Question number 9. What did George and Harris offer to pack and why? George और Harris ने क्या बांधने के लिए अपनी जो सेवाएं थी वो प्रस्तुत की और क्यों? जॉर्ज एंड हैरिस ऑफर्ड टू पैक द हैम्पर्स. They offered to do it because they wanted to start in less than 12 hours time. They wanted to show that they could pack things more quickly and properly than Jerome. Question number 10. While packing the hamper, George and Harris do a number of foolish and funny things. Take the statements that are true. The true statements are: they started with breaking up a cup. This one is true. They squashed a tomato. True. They trod on the butter. True. They put things behind them and couldn't find them. True. They stepped on things. True. And they upset almost everything. These are the true statements. So students, you have to write all these answers in your fair notebook.